What's the meaning of cottonmouth? Cottonmouth. Cottonmouth.
Cottonmouth. Cottonmouth. Cottonmouth is a colloquial term used to describe a dry mouth that feels like cotton. It is a common symptom associated with dehydration, certain medications, and medical conditions such as Sjogren's syndrome. Cottonmouth can cause discomfort, difficulty speaking, and difficulty swallowing. It can also lead to bad breath and an increased risk of tooth decay. Treatment for cottonmouth depends on the underlying cause and may include drinking more fluids, using saliva substitutes, or adjusting medication dosages.